I have a lot of stuff. I have home-based business, and my problem is storage. Yeah, so if you can see, my cabinet is, the focus is to add on more storage. Signature brand is a well-known brand. It's always my dream, because I really like, for the first time, I want to use the signature brand. My products or my stuff is quite unique, so it needs a special details on it, then only meet my purpose. After the renovation, my problem solved. Like my problem solved, because I said I have problem with storage. I have stuff, but I don't know how to arrange. But since we have cabinet, of course, it's already in place. Every of us have our own compartment to put our shoes, to put our stuff, especially the mask lah. Nowadays we have to have masks, something like that. And for decoration, I just add on this perisai, or we call in Iban terabai lah. Yeah. I think signatures is very meticulous. They're very detailed, and they're in their work. So I love it. Signatures Subang is great. Signatures is everywhere. They got branches, and then they came here with a mural, and then they do some measurement, something like that. We have a little bit of discussion about what I want, and then with how we engage. So when to talk about mural, it's very easy. Nowadays the social media is very right, very fast. And then I go to the Pinterest and hey, I want this type of kitchen cabinet. Then I told him like that, and then tomorrow night, I found like this, something hanging shelf, and then I told him I want this. Positively react.